Android smartphones are becoming increasingly powerful and, in recent years, have come with specifications that rival some computers. Now, when the launch season of 2018 starts, it seems that Vivo will deliver the first phone with 10 GB of RAM. Smartphones began arriving with 8 GB of mass RAM last year, with options like OnePlus 5 and Razer Phone, and even some more conventional devices packaged up to 6 GB of RAM. In any case, that's a lot of power for a smartphone, but Vivo is looking to increase that with 10 GB. But it will still be fascinating to see this come to market. The Vivo Xplay7 is the device that is rumored to have so much power, as some slides warned. It is also expected that the phone has up to 512 GB of storage, with a starting capacity of 256 GB. Along with massive storage and an incredible amount of RAM, the Xplay7 can also be one of Qualcomm's first Snapdragon 845 chipset smartphones, making it a true power in every sense of the word.